Debug. The first time when you use the nail printer and the nail art software, the current parameters and the initial values set in the factory. In normal conditions, after installing relevant software and completing related settings, this machine can be run directly. However, if the products have been shipped and or moved improperly, they might not be so accurate in printing. In the condition that all your previous operations are correct, there are still deviations in printing. It might be necessary to readjust the print parameters according to the methods and the steps shown below. A. Firstly, find the debugger in the package box. It is only attached to the 5-finger machine. B. Find a piece of neat paper with the same size of the debugger and stick it on the debugger with a double adhesive step. Then put the debugger on the plate of the bracket and push it into the nail printer. As for single-finger machine, just stick the paper on the plate above the clamping bracket and put it into the groove of bracket. C. Now we begin the debug. Take multi-finger nail printer with self-brain computer for example. Firstly, start up the machine. The nail art software has been installing it. D. Log on Nail Beauty software and click the right key in preview and then select base rectification in the menu displayed. Then is to enter software debug. After that, in preview there will appear a picture which we call base rectification and click pre-review or stop so that base rectification picture is completed within the paper range. Click pre-review or stop again to exit a preview. Click print so that the machine begins to print base rectification picture. E. After printing, click preview or stop and a moment later 2 pictures will appear in preview. Then click preview or stop to exit a preview. The 2 pictures we see in preview are respectively base rectification picture and the picture printed by nail printer. If both pictures are completely superposed, the debug process is finished. If they are not properly superposed, more readjustments would be necessary on base rectification picture so as to make it completely superposed with the printed picture. The following is about how to adjust the base rectification picture, also applicable to other nail beauty pictures. Firstly, select the picture you want to adjust in preview. Here, take base rectification picture for example. Once it is selected, there will appear 8 green squares around the picture. 2. Click the button below preview to adjust base rectification picture to make it in complete superposition with the picture printed. F. After the adjustment, click the right key in preview outside of the base rectification picture and select Save Data in the displayed menu to save the adjusted data. Then, re-click the right key in preview outside of the base rectification picture and select Delete Picture in the menu. Move out the bracket. Remove the paper on the debugger and then re-stick another piece of paper on it. G. Repeat the previous steps until you finish the print. Then click Preview, Stop, and will see complete superposed picture in preview. H. As for single finger machine, please refer to the debug steps above. After finishing the adjustment steps, the whole debug process of the software is complete so far. Well, as far as multi-finger machine is concerned, additional rectification should also be made. Click the right key in preview and select Additional Rectification in the menu. Then there will appear 4 pictures in the respective 4 colors of preview. We call them additional rectification pictures. The same with base rectification. We push the debugger into nail printer and print additional rectification on the paper of the debugger. After this procedure, we'll adjust these 4 pictures respective so as to make them superposed with the pictures printed by the nail printer, and save the adjusted data. Then delete additional rectification pictures, different from base rectification. Once the adjusted data has been saved, when it is printed out, the data readjustment will be demonstrated directly. Change of print positions. While considering additional rectification, even if we have saved the adjusted data, the print position still would not adopt the new data when it is printed out again. Therefore, only after several times can we print other pictures to verify its accuracy of additional rectification. As soon as additional rectification is complete, the whole debug process will be finished. An introduction to other functions of software interface. There is also button options in the upper part of the home interface of the nail built-in software. Click it, there will appear a dialog box with 3 function keys: Print Records, User Management, and Other Settings. Their functions are to be introduced respective in the following. 1. Click Print Records and display a menu. In the menu, you can seek users, print record, talk picture, delete or report the records you have got. Click User Management, and in the menu, you can manage the current users in the software. You are supposed to log on with the identity of Adam and end user, delete user, add password to make your daily management convenient. Note: remember the password of the every operator. Other setting functions. Printer position is to modify printer position. Note: X position and Y position have been precisely set in the factory. Do not modify if not necessary. Modify picture zoom. You can modify X zoom and Y zoom of the picture. Modify auto check zoom. Note: the machine has been strictly set in the factory. Do not modify at random. Price setting. You can adjust the price of each picture. Use a picture folder of Picture Manager.